there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to cut gussets for your gambrel style roof shed. This is a 10-foot span that I'm doing. It's a 10 by 12 shed. So you're going to get some OSB or plywood. I recommend plywood if you're buying new. OSB works though because I have this. It was damaged, so I got it really cheap. So first you're going to cut yourself some 4-foot by 12-inch pieces out of this. So mark it 12-inch, mark it 12-inch. Got the truck line here. These things are awesome. Alright, once you got your 1x4 board, so I got this Harbor Freight 12-inch miter saw. It's awesome. I've used the crap out of it. It's about time to buy a new blade because we've done so many projects. But it has a nice angle indicator here. Zoom in. Since the angle of all of our cuts on this gambrel style roof are 22.5, we're going to set it to 22.5. Like that. Okay, and tighten it down. Take your 1-foot board. And on this, there's little lines to tell you where you're at. So, oh sorry, you're going to put the saw at 22.5 this way. You're going to cut it at 3. Flip it. Cut it at 3. Did that part right, you should have it so on this footboard it's pretty close to the 6, right half in the halfway mark there. Like that, pretty close. Alright, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's only there to hold the boards together. So then do the other side to save time. So 3. Put it to 3 again. Okay. Now you have a board that looks like this. It's got your angles on either side. Move your saw back to 0 degrees, get your right angle cut, and I'm going to put my corner, see how this is a corner, I'm going to put this at 3.5, the size of a 2x4. Check them. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. 7 out of each board. Out of each 1x4 strip.